Hello everyone, Miss Melissa here with another craft with supplies that you probably already have at home. Today we're making Play-Doh and I'm going to show you two different recipes, although there are hundreds and hundreds of recipes out there, and I'm going to put those links in the description box so you can check those out. But first we're going to make salt dough. This is a Play-Doh that I made growing up. So all you need is flour, salt, and water. Typically you use 1 cup flour, ½ cup salt, ½ cup water. So let's get started. So I've already pre-measured everything. 1 cup flour, ½ cup salt, and we're going to mix this around before we add the water. And you want to add the water slowly, very slowly. You can also add some food coloring at this stage as well if you would like, to make your Play-Doh a pretty color. Some recipes may also call for a little bit of oil or a little bit of cream of tartar. It just kind of depends on the consistency of the dough that you like. I like just these 3 ingredients because if you want to create something, you can bake it in the oven. Sometimes people make Christmas ornaments or other little fun things, and then you can, once you bake them, then you can paint them, things like that. There will be instructions below on how to do that. Typically you want to bake it at a really low heat, like 200 degrees or 150 degrees, and just kind of keep an eye on it. Once you get it at this stage, you might want to put it on your table and work it in. And there you go. You have salt dough, Play-Doh. I'm going to show you another recipe now. This one is usually called cloud dough. There are a lot of variations to this recipe. We are going to be using cornstarch and hair conditioner. I've also seen people use hand lotion or shaving cream. So again, I'm going to put some recipes in the description box below so that you can find which one works best for you. I'm going to make a pared down version of this recipe. I'm using a ½ cup cornstarch and a 1/4 cup lotion. I've seen people use a whole cup of cornstarch and a ½ cup of hair conditioner or lotion. I've also seen people use 2 cups cornstarch and 1 cup of the hair conditioner or lotion. So I'm using a ½ cup and a 1/4 cup. So let's get started with that. Your cornstarch, okay, and your conditioner. This one is really nice. It's really fluffy. So if you're doing like sensory play at home, this is a good one for that. You can't really bake this one like you can the salt dough, but it's really nice. And because of the hair conditioner, shaving cream, or lotion, it also smells really good. This is where it gets messy. If it's too sticky, like mine is a little too sticky right now, you can add in, sprinkle in a little bit more. So just keep kneading it until it's no longer sticky. Like I said, you can sprinkle in some more cornstarch. Then if it's too dry, you can add a little bit more lotion, hair conditioner, until you get the consistency right. And this dough, like I said, is super soft. You can add food coloring to make it a fun color. It's up to you. All right, everyone have fun making all the different Play-Doh recipes, and have fun experimenting and getting creative.